na siya. Okay, sige, babasahin ko na ang birthday message ni Chubby sa lahat ng mga magigiting na ama. Yes! Alright, so, here we go. To all Chubby fathers, happy Father's Day. Your strength, courage, and all out support inspires to work every day, especially to your respective family. Keep a smile, like Charlie here and all the Charlie Town friends. And thank you to all the father who built foundation at home. And with that, enjoy your special day. Alright, Charlie, panito ko Charlie, meron ka na inihandang dance number para sa ating lahat. Handa ka na Charlie? Yes, alright. So, may request on the kids, please.